Welcome to our Stafford, Texas facility, the global headquarters of Groth Corporation, a subsidiary of Continental Disc Corporation. Since the 1960s, Groth has established itself as a global leader in manufacturing a wide range of low-pressure relief products like pressure and vacuum relief valves, flame and detonation arresters, blanket gas regulators, and others. Groth is headquartered in a company-owned manufacturing facility in Stafford, Texas, southwest of Houston, and maintains an ISO 9001 quality management system. Groth maintains an extensive inventory of materials and components, which are used to assemble highly configured products for use in the tank or storage vessel protection industry. Holding a strategic assortment of modularized inventory allows Groth to optimize its lead times on the most commonly demanded product families and configurations, differentiating it as a supplier and earning premium pricing. In 2024, Groth invested in automated vertical storage units that reduce indirect labor expense and improve inventory accuracy. Groth's machine shop provides the flexibility to custom machine components necessary to satisfy quick delivery requirements. Groth products are configured and assembled to order. The set pressures of pressure and vacuum relief valves are determined by using a calibrated weight, spring, or pilot-operated opening mechanism. Groth has the capability to test each product for performance accuracy at the assembler's test benches. Groth also manufactures a complete line of detonation and flame arresters whose elements are manufactured utilizing custom-engineered element winding machines. The Stafford facility's flow lab is designed and maintained in accordance with API standards. All product designs are tested to ensure that calculated flow rates are replicated under field conditions. Stafford also tests the performance of detonation and flame arresters on site. Groth pressure relief products can be found protecting refineries, chemical processing plants, and any facility with fixed roof storage tanks worldwide. From concept to completion, our products embody the dedication and expertise of our global team, ensuring safety and reliability for industries worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our Stafford, Texas facility. At Groth Corporation, a subsidiary of Continental Disc Corporation, we're committed to delivering excellence in every product and process. Any industry, any application, anywhere in the world. We provide innovative solutions, quality products, and comprehensive service to improve the safety of your plant and the service know-how to back it up. We don't just manufacture our products, we stand by them.